Hey ghouls! Today we're creating a little dark Valentine's Day makeup look. Romantic, spooky, and slightly unhinged. And of course, I had to start off wearing my Art the Clown shirt to really set the mood and get this party started. First, I'm going in with a white translucent powder and lightly pressing that all over my face. I didn't want a fully white clown style base for this look. I just wanted to add a subtle paleness to make the skin look more ghostly and desaturated. Next, I'm taking a dark gray eyeshadow and using that to enhance my cheekbones and softly shade around the perimeter of my face to sharpen up some of my features. Then I'm grabbing a lighter gray shade and going over those same areas, really blending everything together and diffusing the edges so nothing looks too harsh. Next, I'm grabbing a highlighter and popping that onto the high points of my cheekbones. Then I'm taking the shimmery white cream eyeshadow and lightly dabbing that onto the inner corners of my eyes. Now with a small brush and a gray shadow, I'm starting to softly trace out the heart shapes around my eyes. I like using gray first instead of black so I can sketch the placement and adjust the shapes before fully committing. Going into my Mayron palette, I'm using the white shade to fill in the hearts. I'm just packing that color inside the shapes to get them nice and opaque. And then I'm setting everything with a white eyeshadow so it stays bright and doesn't crease. Next, I'm diving into my Morphe palette and grabbing this hot pink shade, and I'm blending that all around the white hearts. I'm also tapping a bit of that pink onto the tip of my nose and right underneath my bottom lip, using downward sweeping motions so everything stays diffused and blended. Then I'm taking a black liquid liner and very thinly outlining the heart shapes around my eyes. At this point, I'm kind of feeling like a fish or something with these funky little hearts, so we're gonna fix that. I'm going in with a black eyeshadow and really packing and blending it around the outer edges of the hearts. Back to the Mayron palette, I'm using both of these pink shades and continuing to work on fixing and expanding the heart shapes around my eyes. I'm just slowly building the color and blending until I'm happy with the size and intensity. I'm also bringing those same pinks down to my lip area, adding some color and starting to softly outline the lips. Then I'm adding a little bit of white to the center of my lips and blending that out. Now I'm going back in with the black liquid liner and drawing these drip tear style lines underneath my eyes and adding tiny hearts at the ends. I'm also filling in some of those hearts with black. Then I'm retracing the outlines of the big hearts around my eyes to sharpen everything back up. Next, I'm filling in some of the smaller hearts with different shades of pink and adding a few reddish tones as well, especially around the corners of the mouth to give it a more bruised, smeared effect. Then I'm taking a black shade and adding that coming out of the lips, almost like something dark is coming out of my mouth. Then I'm adding some wispy black lines coming out of the hearts around my eyes, just to make them feel more alive and slightly chaotic. Next, I'm painting a black XOXO across my neck. Then I go back over it again to make the letters thicker, darker, and more bold looking. I'm adding even more black darkness coming out of the lips and drawing these freaky insect-like legs crawling out of my mouth. I'm also connecting some of those lines downwards so they flow into the XOXO on my neck, making everything just feel more cohesive and connected. Now I'm painting this funky black line work across my forehead to frame the face. Going back to that same shimmery eyeshadow from earlier, I'm adding highlight to the tip and bridge of my nose, as well as tapping some of that onto the lips and eyelids. I really packed that shimmer onto the eyelids so they pop out against all the dark tones. Then I'm touching up some black eyeliner and refining a few areas of the line work. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and really packing on some shading just to deepen everything and make the look feel darker and more intense. Then I'm going back into that hot pink shadow and adding a bit more color around the face, just so the pink still pops through all the darkness. Time for some gloss. I'm really applying this because I want the lips super shiny and ultra glossy. And that's all for the makeup. I'm going to pop in some pink contacts and go change. And here's the final look. I threw on this latex PVC dress to match the vibe, and now I'm officially ready for a dark romance Valentine's.